If you have not already done so, please download our iPhone app. Once the app has downloaded, please return to the browser and click Continue to Part 2. This step is required to track your participation. The screen will look like this and be unique to your account. If you lose track of this screen, please reach out to senseisupport@userinterviews.com. Please note that you must complete the session in one sitting. If you did the survey on your computer, you will need to scan the QR code with your camera app to start the Senseye app on your phone. If you did the survey on your phone, you can just click the Continue to Part 2 button. Before starting the app, please find a quiet place without music, people talking, or other distractions. Use a comfortable, supportive chair and have a stable surface in front of you to rest elbows with phone in front of your face. You may want to have a pillow available to rest your elbows on. Turn down bright lights and move away from windows or close blinds or curtains to prevent glare. Please ensure that you have at least 50 minutes to devote to the tasks before starting. Additionally, you cannot switch between apps during the session. Please put your phone in Do Not Disturb mode before beginning. For the parts of the app that are capturing video, you will need to be able to hold this position for 5 to 10 minutes. Please remain still and focused while completing the tasks. Please maintain your gaze on the phone and do not look away while completing the tasks. Make sure you are in a well-lit room throughout the tasks. Please keep the phone inverted during the tasks and do not bring the camera to the top of the screen. Make sure you do not cover the camera while holding the phone. Please use 2 hands to stabilize the phone properly. Avoid talking or eating while performing the tasks. Avoid distractions from pets or children while completing the tasks. Sit up straight and do not lean forwards or backwards. Align your face with the guide on the phone. Make sure your face fills the area outlined by the dotted line on the phone. Too close, just right. Some tasks will not require the camera and will instruct you to relax. You can hold the phone in any position that is comfortable for you. The next time you encounter a task that requires the camera, you will be instructed to get into position again. Do not swipe out of the app to view other applications until the session is complete. Once you have aligned the phone, keep it steady to prevent drift away from or towards you.